Freedom. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, pretty bird. Hello. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Are you pretty bird? Hi, Freedom. Hi, Freedom. You can do it. You can say your name. Hi, Freedom. Too much pressure. Woo! You can do it. Freedom, you just said your name a million times. Hello. Hello. Do you want a grape? Say, I have no pellets. Hi, Freedom. Who's a good boy? Okay. Say, I am viewing the outside. Beautiful trees. Woo. We got a reflection there, Freedom. Good boy. Good Parrot. Okay, Freedom, are you going to say your name? Hi, Freedom. Say, I would love to have a grape. All right, we're signing off live with not a repeat of the name. I love you, Freedom.